Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to create an IK setup for a lamp like this. Alright, and in the next class we'll look at how to create the animation. So let us look at where you can get the file, how to do the setup so that the lamp is ready for animation. Go to freepik.com. Freepik is where you can get free graphics that you can use for your projects. I get most of my graphics from freepik.com as they are free and the quality is very good that you can use for your projects. Okay, so we are going to search for table lamp. We're going to animate the table lamp and see, this is one of the lamps you can use. The lamp that I used is somewhere here. Here, this file is where I use the lamp from. So you simply download that file. Okay, download it and it comes in an EPS file. So I saved it here. Lamp, it's called 101.1 EPS. Okay, so we need to use this one. I'll control C it, go to new. A4 size is good. Control V, make it big. Okay, so we need to separate all the elements in different layers. Okay, so the lamp head will be in one layer, the arm will be in one layer, and the base will be in one layer. Okay, so real quick, open these and identify which elements are which. Okay, so this belongs to this one, so I'll click on this, and this. I'm using the control keys, control X, new layer, call it a base, shift control V, hide it. Okay, this one, this one, this one. So this, what is this? This one also. So this one, control this one, control this one, control this one, control X, new layer, lamp, control V, control Z. What happened to the selection? This one, control this one, control this one, control this one, control X, new layer, cancel. The lamp is already created. Shift control V in the lamp, hide it. Some things are remaining, we need to find where they are. This one, this one, this one, this, control, I guess all these. So this is our main lamp. Okay, so this one, control this, control this, control X, put this in lamp. Yes, and the rest will be double-click hand. So that's good enough. So 3 layers we need. Save this file as an AI file, lamp IK. Okay, open up After Effects, file, new project, New composition. I'm using a 1280 by 720 composition. 24 frames is frame rate. Duration doesn't matter. Background color is white. We don't need to actually create the composition. Go to file, import file, select lamp IK, and here instead of import as footage, we're going to import it as composition retain layer size. Okay, so you get a composition. So here now we'll go to composition settings, make it 1280 by 720, background is white. Okay, it can be a little reddish in color, that's fine. Okay, all right. Now we are going to use the Duik Bassel plugin again to create the rig, but this time we are going to use puppet pins because we don't have separate elements for the main arm. All right. So what we are going to do is the hand will be divided in 3 parts by adding puppet pins. So one puppet pin will go here, one will go at the center, and one will go at the top here. Okay, so we create 3 puppet pins, and then if you open that, the 3 puppet pins will go to window, Duik Bassel, go to rigging, go to bone. Actually we need to be here, and we'll click on add bones. Okay, so the 3 bones will be added. Above, so they're visible. Okay, then we'll go to the rig and we will create the arm IK and create these bones. This bone is going to be placed on top of this here. Okay, the second bone will be placed here. The third bone will be placed here. The last one doesn't really matter. I think it can be where it is. To select that over here somewhere. Okay, the base of the lamp will have a pivot point also in same place, and then we will need to create a null object, and this will go at the base of the lamp. We don't need to change the pivot point of that, so that will be exactly where the center of the base is. Okay, now we'll do the rigging. So the base connects to the null object, this connects to the null object. All right, the lamp will connect to the hand. All right, the hand is not going to connect to anything. Base is done. Now these bones are not necessary, so we'll hide them. We'll remove it from the layers and click on here, so they are gone. All right, now let's see if I select this, everything is moving. We need to link these bones to the appropriate arm. So this goes to arm, this goes to forearm, and this goes to hand. Okay, now we can get rid of this, and now we can select this and move it around. All right, so now we will select these, and then we'll go to Duik Bassel, click on Auto Rigg and IK. We'll get a handle. Now if I select the base, now only base is moving. So for some reason, when you create the IK rig, the arm loses its control over the null. So we'll relink that. And now the only thing remaining is the control that has to be connected to the null as well. Okay, so now our null becomes the main element that has to be animated, and the hand, this control, okay, I can make it big also if I want. So you can make the hand bigger, and this hand will be used to animate the lamp, and if I hit the rotate button, it will rotate the lamp head also. All right, so that completes our rig. We will do some housekeeping work here. We don't need to see the structures, so we'll first hide them here, and then we'll hide them from the layers. Right, so we are going to select the control and animate the position and rotation of it. Shift P and Shift R. The null object, we are only going to animate the position of it. The base, we are going to rotate and these two, we don't need them in the layers because we are not going to animate. Okay, so only these properties will be animated to bring this lamp to life. All right, so in the next class we'll see how to create animation for this lamp. Thank you very much.